These are my brown butter cutout sugar cookies, and they are so good. These are based on my reader favorite no spread cutout cookies, but they're made with brown butter and brown sugar. To make them, you want to let your brown butter cool until solid and then cream it with your brown sugar. Then you'll mix in your egg and vanilla. And in a separate bowl, you're going to combine all of your dry ingredients. That's flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Whisk those together and then gradually fold them into your wet ingredient. And then you can turn the mixture out onto a floured surface so that you can roll out your dough and cut your cookies. I've been in such a fall baking mood recently, so I had to use these cute maple leaf cookie cutters. And then you just pop your cut cookies onto a baking sheet with some parchment paper and they're ready to bake. I love this cookie recipe because it really does not spread in the oven. It's perfect. To make the icing, we're just going to combine some powdered sugar, some brown sugar, milk, vanilla, and salt. You can spread your frosting right on with a spoon or a little spatula, whatever you like. And here's how they come out. They're so cute, and that brown butter and brown sugar adds so much flavor. Let me know what you guys think. Full recipe is at ShanaeToday.com.